Hello friends and welcome back to our new video. We are currently in Interlaken West and today we are going to take a boat ride on Lake Thun. You can see behind me the beautiful Lake Thun and you can also see a boat arriving from Thun. This is the boat we will be riding today. Hi friends, welcome back. If you have watched our previous video, you know that we enjoyed the cow parade in Lauterbrunnen and explored the famous Stovach Falls. From Lauterbrunnen, we took a train to Interlaken Ost and then arrived here at Interlaken West station. So guys, we have now exited the train station and you can see there are many restaurants, cafes and hotels here. Interlaken is essentially a resort town situated between two lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. If you are staying here, the location of Interlaken West is convenient especially for exploring the Lake Thun. We are now heading towards the boat pier. Its location is very convenient as the boat pier is right behind the Interlaken West station. Just follow the sign and within a 2 minutes walk you will be at the water's edge. You can also use a direct underpass from a station if you wish, but we took a slightly longer route from outside. The board here displays the train and boat timings. Our boat will depart at 5:10 pm. And look at that, our boat is arriving at the dock. The turquoise water of Lake Thun, the view of mountains behind and this majestic boat, it is an amazing view to watch. We will provide complete details about boat ticket prices, passes and timings in this video. So stay with us until the very end of this video. And if you need any help in travel planning, then you can contact us in Facebook or Instagram and you can comment in this video if you have any questions. First, let me stand in the queue and board the boat. So guys, boarding has begun. We have a Eurail Global Pass which makes this ride completely free. Simply add the boat journey to the Rail Planner app and you are good to go. You don't have to worry about buying any extra ticket. And we are off. The boat is now floating slowly through the canal. People are sitting comfortably on benches at the back and enjoying themselves. The mountain visible behind is Kulm, a famous viewpoint in Interlaken. As the boat moves forward, Interlaken is left behind. And because the weather is very good today, the views look absolutely dramatic. While the boat exits the canal, let me give you a quick tour of the boat. The lower deck is for second class and the upper deck is for the first class. There is a restaurant on the lower deck as well as on the upper deck. And there is also a ticket office here. So if you do not have a ticket, you can purchase one on board. There are also benches on the front side where people are sitting and enjoying the views. We are currently passing through a narrow canal that leads directly toward Lake Thun. By the way, we took a boat ride on Lake Brienz last time. If you have not seen that video, be sure to check the link in the I button. Lake Brienz has turquoise blue water, whereas Lake Thun water is deeper blue. So guys, we are now in the open lake. And look there, another boat is crossing in the opposite direction. And the pyramid-shaped mountain visible behind is Mount Niesen. It is also famous as the Swiss pyramid. And guys, the first stop for the boat has arrived, Neuhaus. And now see how the boat slowly docks. The captain maneuvers smoothly towards the pier and the staff secures the ropes. It is actually quite interesting to watch the docking process. Some people are getting off here and some new travelers are boarding. Everything is so systematic here in Switzerland. Timing, coordination, and everything is on point. Okay guys, now let's talk about some practical things like tickets and prices so that you can also plan your trip easily. For a boat ride in Lake Thun, you can buy route tickets, meaning you pay for the distance you want to ride, like from Interlaken West to Spiez or Thun. The one-way ticket price from Interlaken West to Spiez is 56 CHF in first class and 34 CHF in second class, while from Interlaken West to Thun, the price is 89 CHF in first class and 54 CHF in second class. And if you want to do a round trip, the price will be double. You can get off at any stop along the way to explore the area and then board the next boat. If you wish, you can buy a day ticket for unlimited rides all day across both Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. It is actually a very good option if you want to explore multiple stops. The price for this is 125 CHF for first class and 83 CHF for second class. And if you have a Swiss half fare card, you also get a 50% discount on normal tickets and day passes. This boat ride is included in the Swiss Travel Pass, Saver Day Pass, Jungfrau Travel Pass and Berner Oberland Pass. And the best thing is Eurail and InterRail passes are also valid for these boat rides with no extra expense. And we are currently traveling with Eurail Pass. Boats in Swiss lakes operates like regular public transport. Seat reservations are not possible because there is free seating. And if you want a restaurant table, you can reserve that separately. There is one round trip in the winter season, 2 to 3 round trips in spring and autumn, and 6 to 8 round trips in summer season. You can check the boat schedule on the SBB app or BLS website. The travel time from Interlaken West to Spiez is about 1 hour and 20 minutes by boat, and all the way to Thun is approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes. So guys, we are now approaching Spiez and we will be getting off here. We thought that going all the way to Thun would take another 50 minutes and then we would take the train to Zurich. So it's better to get off at the Spiez and catch the train there. After getting off the boat, we are now walking towards the station. To be honest, this path is quite uphill and we are a bit tired. I would suggest that you don't get off the boat at Spiez just to catch a train, or you will find it very difficult. Either continue the boat ride to Thun or go back to Interlaken by boat. Doing the opposite is also fine, meaning you can come to Spiez by train and then catch the boat from here. We finally made it to the station, but the view of the lake and the castle from here makes all the tiredness vanish. This platform is probably one of the most beautiful viewing spots in Switzerland. So guys, we are now seated on the train, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and share, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in a new video. Until then, goodbye.